Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this layered stamping. If you like nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color and accent color, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Coat Cake. And for my stamping, I'm going to be using Holo Taco One Coat Black. The stamping plate that I'm using today is the MoYou London Artist 01 plate, and I'm going to be using these squares in the corner. I'm going to be stamping once, adding another layer of Coat Cake, and then stamping again, slightly offset. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I like how this turned out, although it wasn't the original plan. I am recovering from some laryngitis, so I apologize if I forgot to mention anything. If you have any questions, you can of course ask them down in the comments. I'd like to give a big thank you to Christine for sending this to me. I always love seeing the new Holo Taco polishes. And if you would like to see the original plan as well as the extended tutorial, that archive will be up here on YouTube soon. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.